Welcome in. Today, I'm going to show you all a simple method to make party melodies. Let's get into it. Alright guys, if you're using FL Studio, you can open up your DAW now, because I'll be using a stock plugin to do this melody, and I have, what do we call this? We have I think it's hammer and the preset pluck classical. You can go down to pluck and choose pluck classical. That's what I have right now. So that's what this song is like. Yeah man. So guys, first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna open up a sampler. As you can see, I have a sampler right here. Open up a sampler, go to piano roll, and we're gonna go to this drop down arrow right there. So go to stamp, and we're gonna hit major, right? So for this beat, I'm gonna use a B major scale, and you're gonna see why I use the B major scale. So guys, just place it here and stretch it to, you can go 5. All right. So guys, the note is okay. What to do now? Go over the notes, shift, grab it, bring it up to the next octave like this. Yeah. Right now we have the B major scale, and we're gonna work out a melody using the pluck. Alright guys, so let's open up the pluck. If you all have FL Studio, open up your pluck right now and just work it out with me. B. So you know what, let me go back to the sampler, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the melody of the scale of the notes. Let me see. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna do the 1, 4, 5. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use the 1, 4, 5. So we're gonna use B, E, and F sharp to build the chords. So let's get back to the pluck. Shoving it like this. Here you go. Okay guys, right now we have 3 notes laid out. This is a chord, a triad chord, right? And this is a major triad chord. How do I know? There's 1, 2, 3 spaces in between, and 1, 2, and there's 2. So anywhere you see any 3 notes where you see there's 3 spaces in between, that's a major. So right now we have a major chord, right? And it sounds like this. Okay, nice. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the next chord now. Let's go. The 4th was supposed to be E. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's E, right? Okay. We're gonna build the next chord of E. I'm gonna show you something. Alright guys. Listen guys. Nice. What we're gonna do with this chord, the B right there, so we're gonna bring it down. We're gonna invert it like this. Now listen. Nice. Alright, and now we're gonna use, let me see. Now we're gonna use the F sharp. And the C, we're gonna bring it the C sharp, we're gonna take it down right there, so. And let's listen to it. Yeah man, here it's sounding nice already. Guys, that's just the beginning. And if I take the same chord and bring it over so out the song, let's hear out the song. Yeah man. Yeah, we're gonna carry it over. Yeah. Guys, so easy. easy to make a party melody. Okay, guys, we're gonna copy that and take it over. That's just the beginning, eh? That's just the beginning. All right. Yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man. So right now we have a simple clock melody laid out, and guys, right now we're gonna make it more interesting. Yeah, we're gonna advance it to something more international than that. All right. Next thing you can do, you can also add bass notes. So I can go down to the period, give it more body. So I'll be going like B. Let's listen. Yeah, man. Let's carry this. Carry everything over. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm playing too much. Hold on. Okay. So we're gonna add some notes, and let's see how it sounds. I'm gonna think of a melody in my head and try to lay it out. Let me see. Oh! Let me see. Hold on. What can I add this to? Let me see how the song right this so. Guys, this song then. Don't lie. So guys, look at this. All what I did was follow the same notes that I'm playing in the chord. You know? Same notes in the chords, guys, in the plucks. Yeah, man. Just have once you have the melody in your mind, just try to bring it in the DAW. That's all. Yeah, man, you'll get it, man. Don't fret. I'm right here so for y'all. Yeah, man, I like a little offbeat melody. This last end kind of offbeat, so we're gonna take it and bring it across. Oh, no, guys, song in. So, guys, that is how you make a party melody, guys. Simple. You don't want to do too much to it, because don't forget you have to add other instruments. The artists have to come on it, and you know already them party beat like that. We like to add vocal one shots to it already, so that's a lot. But yeah, man. Let me see if I can find the next instrument I can just add, so you can see something a little more advanced too. So a bit like that. What I will go for personally is something like, what do you call it? I think they call it like a synth. I don't think it's a synth, but I think they call it a PWM something. I'm not too sure about it, but I'm gonna find a lead and show you what I would do if I was making a full beat. And yeah, let's find the lead. What I'm gonna use. I didn't want to use anything from So let's go to GMS. I want to use stock plugin only. Alright, let me see. Lead and synth. Let's find something. Let me listen. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to see what we can make with this instrument. Let's go. Okay. 1 minute. Oh, song is nice. Yeah. Let me see this. No, let me see. Guys, do like banger. I telling you, don't believe your boy. Tell the guys just stay right there so and watch the video, and your boy gonna show you enough things. Let's keep supporting the channel. You don't know. Yes, guys, don't like singing sweet. Singing nice. So guys, you know already, this video is very short. Don't want to waste your time. Just want to show you how I make a party melody, and I hope you guys take notes. You can always come back and watch the video, comment and link me up. My email in description. You can email me if you need any help. I can help you personally. Don't know. That's what I'm here for. Yeah, man, guys. So please like this video, comment, subscribe, give your boy the support. And you don't know, Joe Bass is out.